Hello second grade, I'm super happy that you are here. Today we're going to continue by reviewing Unit 1, and remember that the last class we did some activities about the phonemes and also about the topics of values taking turns. So today we're going to review a little bit about the present continuous. Remember that we use present continuous when we want to express the action that we are doing at the moment when we are talking. For example, like I said, at this moment, right now, I'm talking to you, I'm reading my book, I'm also writing my name, for example, okay? So we have been doing some activities about this topic. Maybe you don't remember that it is called present continuous, and it's also known as present progressive. So to do these activities, we need to learn, we need to use the vocabulary, the grammar, verb to be. It might be difficult for some of you because I've seen your activities, but it's not that hard. And remember that I showed you a picture with some bees and some flowers, so you could remember when you are going to use I am, you are, he is, she is, etc. And remember that then we use a verb that goes in ing. For example, gluing, listening, watching, reading, using, singing, and some other verbs like, for example, walk, run. Okay, you can say also playing, drawing, okay, and etc. So right now I have also the same picture, but I'm giving you some examples of when to use the verb to be with present progressive. Remember that we always use I am, okay? If I'm giving you I, it's super sure that you are going to use am. I am is going to be always that way, okay? And for example, if I'm giving you he or she or it, is going to be is. He is, she is, it is. Remember that I showed you a song, and that was for you to remember he is, she is, it is, okay? And for example, if I tell you a name of a person, for example, Camila, it's going to be she, because we know that Camila is a girl, okay? She is, or Camila is writing her name. Or for example, Rodrigo would be he is, okay? Rodrigo is watching this video, for example, okay? So it's that simple, but don't forget that sometimes you always, or sometimes you are going to see names of other people, and not always you are going to see the pronouns he or she, okay? Then we have we are, you are, they are, okay? Repeat one more time. I am, he is, she is, she is, and also it is, it is. Remember that we use it when we want to talk about an object, about a pencil, about a book, about an animal, about a place, okay? And also we have we are, you are, okay? They are. And an example of using I am listening to a story. Or he is gluing shapes, or she is gluing shapes. Also we are using the computer, okay? And then we can go to our activities that are on page 11, and it's page from the workbook. Remember that we are using the workbook. And yes, So here we have two activities, and that's going to be everything for today. And activity 20 says, look and write, use the correct form of the verb. And here you have a box, and it says draw, play, sing, and use. It says use the correct form of the verb. That means that you are going to use these verbs in gerund. For example, drawing, playing, singing, and using. Okay, so you have a picture in here, and you have lots of people. You have these kids, and what are they doing? You have a teacher and a student. You have two girls, I think. What are they doing? And here we also have three kids. Okay, you need to pay attention carefully to the activities that they are doing. What are they doing? And you need to pay attention to that picture so you can complete the next activity. So, number one, what's she doing? Okay, and number one, it's in this sentence, and this question is going to be matched with this. Okay, you need to find, this is number one, and you need to find in the picture where is number one. What is she doing? She is a song. You're going to say drawing, playing, singing, and using. Okay, number two, what are they doing? They're playing a game. Okay, we need to find number two. These kids are number two. Okay, number three, what's he doing? Okay, and here we have the number three is the teacher. He's blank on the board. Okay, number four, and the last one, we have these girls. What are they doing? They're blank computers. Okay, and we can go right now to exercise 21, and it says count and write, use is or are. Okay, and here you have our classroom, and they are giving you the numbers. For example, in our classroom we have one computer. We have chairs in our classroom, and they are giving you some lines, and you need to count them. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, and boys, how many boys do we have in our classroom? How many girls do we have in our classroom? And how many teachers do we have? And here we have only one. Okay, so you need to count, and for example, number one, it's already answered, so you can have an idea. Number one, there is one computer. Okay, you need to count, there is one computer. Okay, now number two, they are asking us about the chairs. Here you have the information about the chairs, and you need to count how many chairs do we have. Remember that if we have more than 2 chairs, we are going to use there are 20 chairs, or for example, if we have only one, there is 1 chair. Okay, there are 2 chairs, there are 15 chairs, etc. Okay, so that's it for today. Don't forget to take a picture of this activity and send it to me so I can check that you are working at home. Don't forget to write the date. Today is October 6th, and remember to write your name too. That's it, and I'll see you the next time. Bye!